Lieve allemaal, oui, queridos, Toditos, todas personas, lieve Leute, cher, toutes les personnes. Hola, 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 hola. Dear everyone, it has been quite a while since I made a video in English. This is 100% mulled wine, aged in Oloroso for 5 years. This is beautiful. Now we need to create this airtight seal. This might be the worst cocktail, the worst experiment ever. I want to control what's in my own glass. You see, we have a beautiful ensemble here of, of fun ingredients. First things first, we get our tin. We have beautiful carrot juice. We can use our beautiful licorice concoction. So, cachaça 51. You have some cava left, you have some champagne left, some prosecco left. I don't care what you have left. This is it, this is all there is to it. Almost, we close the seal and we are going to shake. Always shake from the hips and move them. And keep your belly tucked in so no one sees how big it is. There you go. Oh, dois, três, desde la Now we're gonna strain this beautiful caprice in its glass. I mean, the color is perfect. Look at this beautiful color in here. You never drink alone. You got to share your fun moments. So let's grab a second straw. This is beautiful. I mean, it just matches. Damn, I like it. We have our spirits, we have our sweetener, we have our drops of Angostura. In the end, it's about what you like. You like it in a wine glass, put it in a freaking wine glass. You want to have an orange peel, put it in. You want to stir it with grapefruit, it's okay. The only way you learn and you realize is by trying, failing, error, and then adjust until you have your perfect creation. Salud. Aquí tuvimos unas catas a ciegas, no a ciegas, porque pudimos ver todo. Y así al final el sal se va a quedar bien pegadito. Queremos presionar tranquilamente en la parte jugosa. 1 onza y media de Absolut Citron Guapa. Ron guajiro blanco es un ron de Tenerife. Terminar la botella. Terminamos la botella. Tírala. Mira, y como les dije, ya ahora tiene un tono rosa. ¡Qué hermosa, qué rica, qué riqueza, qué belleza! ¡Ay, no mames! Ya no hay cóctel, el shaker de cócteles por todo el suelo.
Ya, mira que arte tiene, mira.
This is fun. Salute, cheers, santé, saúde, prost. And before I forget, as per usual, only here at Xúuch with Loqo Danii, we toast with our feet in Africa, our minds in Europe, our heart beating in Latino America. Always looking forward to discover new places, new things, and to teach you new fun stuff. And this definitely is perfect. Subscribe. Skål. Ciao.